Hey everybody, Jason with Fender Garage, and we are hopefully remedying once and for all seatbelt covers for the 73, 79. We're really closer to 76, 79 when seatbelts and three-point harnesses really started to be installed more permanently. So I think I've heard of some earlier versions, so it probably still fits, but initially we had come out with a smaller seatbelt cover. It looked pretty good, but then there's been just a few variations. People have kind of complained it doesn't quite cover well, and so we kind of went back to the drawing board, have made some changes, and did a more OEM fit so everybody can stop complaining. So anyways, we listened, we made changes, and so what we want to bring out now is we just have two styles here. So if you have a single cab dent side, these seatbelt covers will work. ABS, it's got a little textured finish, so it's easy to scuff up and wrap with vinyl or leather, whatever it is you're doing. Or you can actually just clean these up and paint them, and that textured look will create a little bit cleaner, kind of a leather-esque look without it trying to look too smooth and too perfect. So very easy. There's a couple little spots right here where you can screw it in here, a couple screws here, and it screws into your factory locations, okay? Then the next thing we have is for crew cabs. So the crew cabs have a little bit bigger piece. You've got to drill your little holes right here, just a tiny little 1/8 inch drill bit, drill those out for yourself, and then you can get those in. We didn't drill them out because everybody wants to wrap it, leather it, have a super small hole that they want to create in there, so it makes it easier just to let you guys put a tiny little drill. Hopefully you have your original clips from your truck so you can install those quite easily. So anyways, crew cab, single cab, these should work. We are super sorry for trying to be a little bit too tricky earlier on and making some of these that were a little smaller, and we realized that it's causing, seems like 50% of the people a little bit of a struggle. They don't understand it, why we did it that way, and so we're just going to go back to the drawing board, and this is what we did. We got it real simple. So we have tested these in several builds here. We know they work. It's pretty straightforward at this point. Really easy to install. You should not have any questions. If you do, go look at your truck again. Maybe look at your old ones, how they go in. These are really easy to install. Again, we like to cover them here with vinyl or leather. They look a little nicer, a little bit cleaner. But for you, you can also paint them, install them black, whatever it is you want to do. If you're still confused and having some struggles, you can email support@fatfender.com, and somebody will email you back with some instructions and helpful tips to hopefully get installed. Pretty easy stuff. Ready to go on the website. You can go find those at fatfender.com. Please like, subscribe. We've got a lot of videos coming out and a lot of products we want to introduce to you, reintroduce to you as well. We'll see you next time.